What is up, guys? So today is the big day. We're about to go pick up the new machine. I got the 24-foot trailer loaded up. Got the F-150 hook to her. And see if this old EcoBoost will pull her back home. No, I know she will. But we're about to head that way. I'll do a little montage on the way, but until then, I'll see y'all there. So guys, Hattiesburg Cycles is a dealership that sells off-road stuff, and they're located in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. I highly recommend going here. It's a good experience. Everybody's nice there. I actually had a good buddy that worked there, but as soon as I sold my Razor back to them, which I don't know if I told y'all that, but yeah, nobody ended up buying the Razor High Lifter. So I went up there and did a trade-in on it for the new machine because I just couldn't find a buyer. Nobody wanted to come off that much money, but they bought it. At first, they told me that they would give me so much for it, but then when we finally got there, they said, let's go ahead and pay it fully off for you. So I was like, that's awesome. So I highly recommend coming here. It's a great dealership. We are actually pulling up right now, so we're about to go get this thing, which I think they're still putting some stuff on it, but we'll be seeing it shortly. Hattiesburg Cycles is located in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. They have all kind of vehicle types, from ATVs, go-karts, personal watercraft, cargo trailers, motorcycles, scooters, utility vehicles, and sports side-by-sides. So if you're ever in the area and want to check out a dealership that's friendly and has a great selection, head on over to Hattiesburg Cycles and tell them that LC Power Sports sent you there. Alright guys, we just left out the dealership. The new machine is on the trailer, so let's check this thing out. Let's check out the new 2022 Polaris Razor Pro XP triple black. Man, I love the triple black. It looks so good to me. Man, I can't tell you how excited I am. We'll sit inside of it real quick, check it out. I think I have the key in my pocket. .8 miles, she's fresh. Not for long. But yeah, I did get them to add this roof, which I think looks freaking amazing. It's the Pro Box roof. I know on my old machine I had the audio forms, and it did good. I liked it. The quality was great, but it just didn't impress me on the sound. I wish it had more, but apparently the woman, Jessica at Hattiesburg Cycles, told me that this one will impress me on the bass and the way it sounds. So I'm sure it'll have something to do with those, I'm not really sure what you call those. They're like vent holes, but the last one did not have that, so maybe we'll get some more bass sound in the cab. But when I get home, I'll definitely have to try that out. I don't know if I can play y'all any music on here because I'll get demonetized. But yeah, this thing looks good. I love it. I'm super pumped. So that's not all the accessories I got. Now I got the roof. I did get some tires. I'll give y'all a quick little sneak peek. Maybe y'all know what those are. I figured I would go on and get a tire so I could do some mud riding along with these. These are the Maxxis Carnivores, and they do wonderful. I love these tires. Heard a lot of good things about them, so we'll run these for the roads and trails and stuff like that. And like when we go to ride with Real Talk Power Sports, you know, most of their parks up there are more trail related and less mud, so I'll throw those on there and have a good time on those. But man, I gotta get this thing home so I can do a little cruising on it. I know it's gonna be cold. I did get a windshield, and they had it like 75% off for a full windshield, so I was like, shoot, give me that thing. It's just a poly windshield that is vented at the bottom. I've never had one like that. I usually get the flip up or a half windshield, but we'll try it out and see how it works. But until then, let's get this thing to the house. Alright guys, so we have made it back home. I did go by my mother's house and take her for a little ride up the road, but unfortunately it was just dark and too cold to do any kind of video. But I will definitely get y'all a full walk around as soon as possible, and I'll show you all the details on the machine. Like I said earlier, I got a few extra accessories, and we'll go over the machine first, and then we'll go over some of the accessories I got for it. But the Pro XP build has officially begun, so I'm excited to show it to y'all. I'm excited to bring y'all along for the journey, and I hope y'all are excited too. And with that being said, if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Leave a comment, leave a like. It helps out more than you know. It helps to it just helps with everything. It helps to motivate me to keep on making videos, and I appreciate all of y'all that have subscribed so far. I know without y'all I would not be this into the sport. It keeps me going. But with that being said, I'm about to get out of here because I'm freezing. It's like 35 degrees. But until next time, we'll catch y'all later. So I appreciate y'all watching.